Walk-in shower installation in Pascagoula, MS, offers a modern and accessible solution for homeowners looking to upgrade their bathrooms. With custom shower design options, you can create a space that meets your specific needs and style preferences. Whether you're interested in a tub-to-shower conversion or a complete bathroom renovation, our walk-in shower and tub design Pascagoula services ensure a seamless transition. For those seeking accessible bathroom remodels in Pascagoula, MS, our team specializes in creating safe and functional spaces. We offer bathroom accessibility solutions, including grab bar installation and shower bench installation, to enhance bathroom safety. Our walk-in shower and tub design Pascagoula services provide ease of use for individuals with mobility challenges. Shower door installation in Pascagoula is a key component of any bathroom upgrade. Our expert team ensures precise installation for a sleek and modern look. Whether you prefer frameless or semi-frameless designs, our walk-in shower and tub design Pascagoula services will enhance the overall aesthetic of your bathroom. Bathtub replacement in Pascagoula is a popular choice for homeowners looking to update their bathrooms. Our bathtub replacement services in Pascagoula offer a variety of options, from traditional tubs to luxurious walk-in tub installations. With our walk-in shower and tub design Pascagoula expertise, we ensure a hassle-free process, providing you with a new bathtub that meets your needs and complements your bathroom design. Shower tile installation in Pascagoula is an excellent way to add style and durability to your bathroom. Our shower tile services in Pascagoula offer a wide range of options, from classic ceramic tiles to modern glass mosaics. With our walk-in shower and tub design Pascagoula expertise, your shower will not only look beautiful but also stand the test of time. Bathroom renovation in Pascagoula encompasses a variety of services, including bathroom fixture upgrades and bathroom vanity installation. Our team provides comprehensive solutions to transform your bathroom into a functional and stylish space. From shower waterproofing to bathroom flooring options, our walk-in shower and tub design Pascagoula services cover every aspect of your renovation project. Walk-in tub installation in Pascagoula is ideal for those seeking a safe and comfortable bathing experience. Our walk-in tub services in Pascagoula offer a range of features, including hydrotherapy jets and easy access doors. With our walk-in shower and tub design Pascagoula expertise, you can enjoy the benefits of a walk-in tub in the comfort of your home. Shower enclosure design in Pascagoula, MS, allows you to customize your shower space to fit your needs. Our shower enclosure services in Pascagoula offer a variety of styles and materials, ensuring a perfect match for your bathroom. Whether you prefer a minimalist design or a more elaborate setup, our walk-in shower and tub design Pascagoula expertise ensures a seamless transformation. Bathroom safety features in Pascagoula are essential for creating a secure environment. Our bathroom safety services in Pascagoula include grab bar installation and shower bench installation, providing peace of mind for you and your family. With our walk-in shower and tub design Pascagoula solutions, we prioritize safety without compromising on style or functionality. For those seeking a custom bathroom remodel in Pascagoula, our team specializes in creating personalized spaces that cater to your unique needs. Whether you're interested in a tub-to-shower conversion or a complete bathroom renovation, our walk-in shower and tub design Pascagoula services offer comprehensive solutions to transform your bathroom into a luxurious retreat. Enhance your bathroom's functionality with our accessible bathroom remodel services in Pascagoula, MS. We focus on bathroom accessibility solutions, including walk-in shower and tub design Pascagoula and walk-in tub installation. Our accessible showers in Pascagoula, MS, are designed with safety and convenience in mind, featuring bathroom safety features like grab bar installation and shower bench installation. Upgrade your bathroom with our shower door installation in Pascagoula and shower enclosure design services. Our shower door installation services provide a sleek and modern look, while our walk-in shower and tub design Pascagoula solutions offer both style and functionality. For those looking to replace their old bathtub, our bathtub replacement services in Pascagoula provide a seamless transition to a more modern and efficient bathroom space. Our shower tile services in Pascagoula offer a wide range of options to suit any style, from classic to contemporary. We also provide shower wall panels in Pascagoula for a clean and easy-to-maintain finish. For those interested in bathroom flooring in Pascagoula, our walk-in shower and tub design Pascagoula expertise ensures a cohesive and stylish bathroom design. Ensure your bathroom is both beautiful and functional with our shower plumbing services in Pascagoula and bathroom vanity installation. Our walk-in shower and tub design Pascagoula services include shower waterproofing to protect your investment and prevent water damage, while our bathroom ventilation solutions ensure a fresh and comfortable environment. Explore our shower curtain alternatives in Pascagoula for a modern and stylish look. Our walk-in shower and tub design Pascagoula solutions enhance the ambiance and functionality of your space, while our bathroom fixture upgrades add a touch of luxury. Whether you're interested in a complete bathroom renovation in Pascagoula or simply updating a few elements, our team is here to help you achieve your vision.